आज फिर एक बार सैलाब उठा है सवालों का।
तू फिर एक बार कर रहा कोशिश है।
तू है या नहीं है, ये कमी तुझ में तुझसे जुड़ी है।
तू सवाल है।
तू विकलांग है।
तू सफ़ेद है पर बेरंग है।
तू क्या है?
डिसेबिलिटी।
डी
आई
एस
ए
बी
आई
एल
आई
टी,
वाई।
a noun. Oxford meaning the state of being unable to use a part of your body properly, usually because of an injury or disease.
अक्षम, विकलांग, वोलुमला, अलाबो, मोनोकिया।
One word, many worlds.
Worlds of disease and injuries, inside of the head, outside of the heart.
A part of human condition holding identity definitions.
First, the world perspective. Look at her, divorced, a masculine haircut, holding scissors and a lock of hair, slithering and withering. Look at her singing away her winsome, wholesome song of freedom, a disabled Frida Kahlo.
Look at him, epileptic because of too much coffee and alcohol and too little food. With a cut ear, he screams and shrieks, the master with his canvas, reeking of insanity and ponder. A disabled Van Gogh. Look at that.
And here, come back here. That's the artistic disfigured Paul Klee on the wheelchair, a Henry Matisse, and facing down the dark, a Riva Lehrer.
People, disabled people, as you name them, marvel at them breathing just like you, staring that extra long, wondering how they could paint with hands looking different from you or those legs.
You see art and the abstract and the making of an artist and the empathy for a disability, different, differently abled, sometimes not abled, memory. Memories last a lifetime. They speak, they divide, they belong, they hurt. Disability, a memory of something beyond, which made you crumble and suffer.
Tonight, it's the red hot press again, and the husband's ears are deaf to my nose, the cloth rumbling against my neck, and my breath looking for freedom yet again. I can't tell between love and rape.
I stand through the fire, the wind, the water, the space, the earth only classified as humans, never normal or gay. You exist in boundaries and creeps, like no rules are meant to be defied. Then again, love has no language. It is just love, certified.
You confuse the goodness of a story with a good character. You put on pedestal a wheelchair. Disability that is not special. Equal is not special. Equality is ordinary.
The hair on my armpits and my skin are like the razor blade to your underdeveloped brains. I step out. You brush past with your character armor. Doomed, disabled, dry.
My race is my race. My light, your darkness. I am looking for spectrum. You speak to me differently in oppression, rebellion.
Baba will dress up again, only to undress near the gutter as he steps inside through the glory of your clutter. He will clean it all, scrambling through the scavenging, and dare he asks you for a glass of water. You will refuse, with even your little finger dancing to avoid his touch, your brain going out loud. That's an untouchable.
The disability you see, the disability you become.
The meaning you attach, the bondage you inflict.
What chains you from thinking free? What makes you see the world and believe?
Today I paint you some eyes, smudged probably but alive. Today I ask you to hold my hand as I crawl through my dreams and open.
I demand of you to stop. Just stop. I ask, what's your music? This? This is too different. There's no room for you. Oh, come on. I got my rhythm and well, I can play.
Embrace me, define me, release me, understand me. There's so many of me and so many of you.
I take your leave now. I am about to live now.
So look around and give me your hand.
I
I
am
am your
your disability
disability
to
to
keep
keep
to
to
free.
free.